to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Marie and I make luxury and fashion related videos almost every single week. So if you're into luxury and fashion, please consider subscribing down below. You just have to hit the red button and I'll make more videos for you. So today I'm back with a Valentino sandal unboxing, as you probably know from the title, and I'm super excited about these shoes because I did kind of stalk them online for a while, but I finally decided to pull the trigger and I'm super happy about it. I got the Valentino Pvc Sandals, so let's unbox them together. As always, the gorgeous Valentino packaging, which has Valentino written on the box. I just love Valentino packaging. And here is the dust bag as well as the extra studs in case they fall out. But just to say, that has never ever happened to me, and I do own a few Valentino shoes. There haven't fallen out any studs so far, so I feel like their quality is really good. And here are my new sandals. Let's take them out. I got the Valentino Pvc Sandals in navy. And if you have watched my videos, you probably know that blue is my favorite color, so this was an easy choice for me. I did buy them in mind with my diorama bag. Maybe I'll show it to you. I did bring it. So this is my diorama bag in navy blue, and how gorgeous is this combination? I can't believe how perfect these look together. I feel like I didn't have any summer shoes that went with this bag, so I feel like these shoes are just a perfect choice. I'm so happy about them, and actually I did get them in size 37, which is my normal size. And I do have the Valentino flip-flops, which I brought to show you as well. These are my Valentino flip-flops, and actually in these I had to size up a size, which I have these in 38 now. So I actually ordered these ones in 37 and 38 just to be sure, and 37 is perfect. So do take your normal size in them, except if you are in between sizes, you do have to size up, I think, because there are no half sizes in these PVC sandals, so I'd suggest sizing up the half size. But I'm just so obsessed with them. I did, like I mentioned, stalk them online for a bit because I just was so unsure if I would be able to wear them on the street as well. But I did decide to finally pull the trigger, and I have to be honest, I think you can definitely wear these on the streets as well. So they are a much more affordable option to the normal Valentino sandals, because these are 350 euros. So definitely check them out if you're into designer brands. I think these are a super perfect way to incorporate designer sandals into your wardrobe, because they come in various different colors, and I think there's one for everyone, so definitely look them up. I will link a few colors down below so you can find them easier, but I'm so happy about them. And actually they do have a much thicker sole than the Valentino sandals. I'm showing it to you. I think you can see it. Can you see it? Yeah, you can. You definitely can. So these I wouldn't wear on the streets, I have to be honest, because these are much more like bendier. Do you say that? I don't know. And these are much stiffer. Can you see? So I definitely think you can totally wear them on the streets. I definitely wear them on the streets. These won't be beach shoes for me. So I'm so happy about them, and I'm so amazed by this color as well. I love it so much. And yeah, I won't be able to wear them a few weeks now, I think, because it's still quite cold in Vienna, but when I wear them, I'll definitely keep you posted how they are in comparison to the normal Valentino sandals. I do think that they might be a bit more uncomfortable, but still I think they will be very comfortable, and I did feel around and they are very well made. Also, the studs are very well and it's very smooth on here, so I don't think that they will hurt. And also another nice detail, can you see the Valentino logo? It's not stitched, it's part of the PVC, so the logo is really in the shoe, which is super comfortable as well. So I can definitely recommend them so far. As I mentioned, I'll keep you posted how they are compared to my normal Valentino sandals, the leather sandals. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was kind of informative for you, because I did see that there are not a lot of videos about these shoes out there. So I hope you enjoyed it, and it would mean so much to me if you would consider subscribing down below so we can chat about luxury fashion, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!